Welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna be walking around a 1972 Challenger. Be looking for any kind of flaws that I can find, but this is a super nice, clean car. Just did the test drive. It is a 3-speed, a 318, non-power, pretty much everything. No power steering, no power brakes. Really clean. I mean, the frame is even shiny on this one. I'll show you some undercarriage shots here in just a moment. If you're new to the page, hit that subscribe button. You can follow us on other social medias as well. We're on like Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. MapleMotors.com offers close to 100 detailed pictures of this car, financing, and shipping information. That's a big one. And we do test drives and walk-arounds just like this pretty much daily. Let's go ahead and get down here and start picking out the flaws. So you can see they've replaced the bumper, the grille, the headlight bezels. Everything's nice and clean and new. The trim around the wheel wells has been replaced. Tires are in great shape. Coming down the side of the car, we're gonna go low. Nice and clean all the way back. No bumps, no bubbles. Trim around the front windows in great shape. Top here looks pretty good. Around the back end, looks beautiful. Dual exhaust, new bumper, tail lights, everything's been painted up nice and pretty. Trunk's in great shape. No leaks. Got some speakers in the package tray. In good shape. Yeah, it looks a little bit moist in here. Maybe condensation. It can't leak, it's been inside. Always leave a mess. I don't know why. I'll fix it later. Lines up well. I'm gonna go down the bottom portion of the car, come up the midsection. This thing looks gorgeous. They did a good job on it. Not much to pick at all. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Seat's in pretty good shape. Door panel near perfect. Weather stripping's new. Solid, solid, solid. Clean headliner, package tray, back seat panels, everything. Take a seat down in here. Start her up. Starts up nice and easy. I thought there was a little lifter tick coming from the motor. If you watch the test drive, you hear that? But watch. It's the clutch. So yeah, it's just the clutch making that noise. It wasn't the motor. Just to let y'all know, a heads up on that. Showing 4,300 miles. Can't stand behind that. That's what it's showing. Wipers work. Heat works. Gas gauge, quarter tank. Temp gauge was up. It was coming up. It's not quite working out. I almost have to add an aftermarket gauge. Your radio does work. Alpine. About that horn, y'all place your bets? It works. Yeah, the clutch has got a little tick to it. So don't think that's the motor, because it's not. Just to show you one more time, I'll push the clutch in. The motor, clutch is in. Clutch is out. Back to tick. Let's go ahead and shut the hood down. Yeah, a little stiff. It's coming down though. All right, I'm gonna do some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up here in the front, go all the way around the car. And keep in mind, I do got close to 100 detailed pictures on maplemotors.com that you can check out. Let's look under it. But guys, if you're new to the channel, I do test drives, walk-arounds, full car lot walk-arounds all the time, pretty much weekly. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button if you want to see daily videos of classic muscle cars. On my website, maplemotors.com, I got financing, shipping, wheels, tires, parts, accessories. Close to 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot, and we put new cars on every Monday. If you don't see the car on the website, but you see it in my videos, It's either not listed yet or we've already sold it. So keep that in mind before you call us. Make sure you watch both videos before you decide to buy a car, and look at all those detailed pictures. I hope to hear from you. I appreciate you watching, and thanks again, guys. We're about to get back to the test drive on this one.